When talking about the exchange of money for a thing, you can use get and for. In this video, I'll show you how to use get and for when buying or selling something. This can be especially useful if you're buying something secondhand, something used, like a guitar or a book. Let's compare what a buyer would say and what a seller would say. The buyer would say, I got it for $10. I got it for $10. This past tense for the verb get is the same as the verb buy in the past tense. I got it for $10 or I bought it for $10. Or you could say, I paid $10 for it. It cost me $10. Or it was $10. The seller would say, I got, and then here's the dollar amount after get. I got $10 for it. I got $10 for it. I sold it for $10, or I got $10 for it. These two sentences have the same meaning. Or the seller could say, he gave me $10 for it. I let it go for $10. It went for $10. Let's compare. A buyer says, I got it for $10. This is in the past tense. The seller says, I got, and then here's the dollar amount, $10 for it. If it's plural, just use them. I got them for $10. I bought these at a garage sale. I got them for $10. Or I got $10 for them in the case of the person selling. I sold some books yesterday and I got $10 for them. When asking about a price, you want to know how much something costs. You ask the seller, how much do you, this is the seller, how much do you want to get for it? And then this is the thing a person purchases. This could be a bike or a guitar or just about anything that someone else is selling, especially if it's from an individual and not a store. How much do you want to get for it? If you're at a garage sale or some other type of sale where the prices can be negotiated. Prices can be negotiated at garage sales, estate sales, flea markets, antique stores, and junk shops. Then you can ask this question. How much do you want to get for it? Because the price could be lower. When you talk about the purchase after you buy something, you're going to use the past tense for the verb get. I got it for, and then here's the dollar amount. I got it for $10. When talking about the value of something, this is the estimated worth, the dollar amount. What can I get for it? This is a possibility. What can I get for it? What can I get for it? And if this is a conversation, two people are talking and another person answers and says, I think you can get, and then here's the dollar amount for it. I think you can get $10 for it. I like this guitar, but it's too heavy, so I think I'm going to sell it. What do you think I can get for it? This is a copy of a very famous painting, The Man in the Golden Helmet. What do you think I can get for it? When talking about the sale of something, you sold something. I got, and then here's the dollar amount. I got $10 for it. Notice again, this is the past tense for the verb get. I sold some books yesterday. I got $10 for the books. I got $10 for them. Not these books. I sold some other books. There are other ways to use the words get and for together. I'll show that to you in future videos. If this video helped you think about things that you can say as a buyer or as a seller, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.